In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your API3 from your exchange to your Ledger cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So on the left side, I have Kraken open in Chrome. And on the right side, I have Ledger Live. So I just want to see, how does the API3 token look like? I'm going to click on it. Okay, so it is an Ethereum token. So on the right side in Ledger Live, you have to have the Ethereum app installed. So I already have it installed. And if I go under accounts, I click on Ethereum. And you see here add token. I'm going to click on that. And then in the crypto asset, I'm going to select API3. So just to confirm that it's available. So it is. And then continue. It's asking me to open the Ethereum app on the Ledger. I just press both buttons to open it. So I have the address now. I'm going to copy it, paste it in Kraken, call it Ledger API3, and between brackets, I'm just going to put Ethereum to know that it's running on the Ethereum network. So I have to confirm the new address. It's sending it to my email. Here we go. I'm going to confirm it. Okay, it's been approved. Go back to Kraken. I'm going to select the full amount by pressing on the purple number. Review. And I'm just going to go over the details. So it's API3. This is the amount, the transaction fee, makes sense. The network is Ethereum, and this is the address, which matches here. So go. And I'm just going to close this screen here on the right side by verifying the Ethereum address. I'm going to click confirm and then close this here. Okay, and as you can see, I did receive the API3 tokens successfully. And now it's time to send them back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on accounts in the Ledger Live and click on show tokens and select API3. Click send. Now it's asking me for the address. So I'm going to go back to Kraken, click deposit, and then select or search for API3, click on it, get the address. It's the same address as the Ethereum address. So I'm going to paste it here, continue, and I'm going to select the full amount. And Please notice that it's using Ethereum for gas fees, and there's quite a bit of traffic today on Ethereum. So I'm gonna select the fastest transaction just because I want to record these videos and be able to capture everything. So I'm gonna click continue. Oh, another thing is make sure you have Ethereum before sending tokens, because it's using the parent coin for gas fees. And now I have to validate the transaction on the Ledger device itself. So I'm gonna press right to the two addresses good. Sign transactions by pressing both buttons. Okay, it looks like the transaction was complete. We're gonna validate it on the exchange side. All right, as you can see, the deposit was successful. We can see it on Kraken here as a pending transaction. It's probably gonna take a couple of minutes to clear, but at least the funds have been transferred. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.